Hi, we're here at Camden Apartments. Hi, I'm here at Camden Apartments for... Stop it. Hi, we're here with ghost hunters and we're coming to... I don't know what to say. What do I say? Hi. Hi. I'm Josephine. Oh. Hi, it's nice to meet you. Hi, Richie. You're not. Keep going. The going back and forth. Oh, okay.
Just a little much to handle here.
The paranormal activity.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes when we walk.
Okay, so is that all that goes on in this room?
Yeah.
Then?
We'll take you to the kitchen.
All right.
Sorry, it's a little messy. We're in the process of moving. So.
Okay, for... Is that all that... Okay, so that's all that goes on in this room.
Yeah.
So that's all that goes on in this room then?
Yeah. I guess we can just move to the kitchen.
Okay.
That's where we're seeing some of our activity.
Alright. So what goes on in here?
Well, my husband Rob.
You ruined it!
Oh.
Sorry, it's a little messy. We're in the process of moving, so.
Okay, is there any reason for your move?
Honestly, we just can't take it anymore.
Really? Too much paranormal activity?
Why are you crying?
She's just bringing all these memories.
Okay, start over. Okay, so what's another hot spot?
Probably just take you into the vanity area.
Okay. So what goes on in here? Let's start over. Okay, so we'll just go and set up our equipment. You guys can leave because when we do our investigations, we don't want anything happening to you or anything because we do some weird things.
Oh.
So the crew is out there. We have all of our cameras and all... What?
Are you doing the whole talking
No.
thing before, or just me?
Just you. Like that. Okay, so let's do that. You stupid
Crap. No, there's nothing.
Oh, okay. Oh. EVP, so it's good. Let's just go in the kitchen.
Okay, so what kind of stuff was in here again? Wait, did you already tell me?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
you doubt me?
Is it on?
Is there supposed to be a light flashing?
Probably not because there's a light on.
Oh, okay, hold on.
So we came in and you showed us the hot spots of the house and or the apartment, I guess you could say. And we set up our equipment throughout the house.
That was a bad one.
Don't look at me.
It was a bad one. Let me make sure. Let's have that be practice to make sure I know.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, so I'm late.
It's okay.
Topanga.
Hi.
Topanga.
Hi, thanks for having us back.
Regina.
Thanks, Regina.
Did you notice I didn't say anything? I didn't even know what my name was.
She's recording.
Not no low.
Okay.
You're so nervous.
Amanda. Sorry, I'm late. Topanga.
Kendra.
Regina.
Crap.
I can't do
Don't say your name. Just be like, I'm Topanga. And be like,
I can say mine.
okay.
Okay.
Hi, sorry I'm late. Topanga.
Kendra.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Great! You don't have to shake their hands.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sorry I'm late, Topanga. Sorry I'm late.
Sorry, everybody.
The hot spots that you showed us, and we have a.
What's wrong? This isn't a funny matter.
It's okay. It's why you're here.
She has a hard time with this.
We're here to help
There
you.
was a hair on the
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, I was doing so good. Oh dear, was that on?
Yeah, she's put all of our cameras in the places that
Don't look at me.
Okay, stop it. Stop it and
We need to delete some.
Yeah, delete the ones that are screwed.
Sorry, that like.
Sorry I'm late. Topanga.
Kendra.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so as you guys know, we came in here and set up our equipment and...
What's that?
Why?
You were in my home without my permission!
You answered the door. Yeah, this first one is in the kitchen. We have a EVP digital recorder and set it on the
Why?
It's okay. I haven't heard it yet.
We'll get through it. We'll get through it. Okay, what you
Okay.
push? Play.
Yeah, I'll explain it after. And speak in it.
I totally looked at the camera. I was like, I know, that's what I saw you, and I was like,
That's gonna be a good one. I had to just go, man. I was like,
I didn't want to
like, I'm not looking at you, I'm not looking, I was like,
Okay, so the next one that we caught was in the bathroom. We were sitting in the
vanity.
she's like, we were. Okay, this one is when we're in the vanity.
We're in the vanity area, and we hear something coming from the bathroom to the right, where
You're in the vanity.
we're in the vanity doing EVP work. Okay.
Oh, this is the vanity.
Yeah. This is